Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install a program called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is pretty much an app player that allows you to run Android applications. This can be installed on Windows or on Macs. So let's just go ahead and just jump right into this tutorial. So first thing to do is go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Once you get to there, we can pretty much just go to search it if you want to through Google, but instead we're going to go to a site called BlueStacks.com. And it takes us to this site right here. And literally on the first thing we see is the download location right here. And it shows it on the top also, either one you can choose. And we're going to click the program, and it says download started, and let it do its work. So pretty much the program already downloaded, so we're going to go ahead and click the program. And you'll probably be prompted. We'll see what comes up right now. Here it is. You'll press yes for the program to continue doing the installation. And we can just go ahead and exit the browser anymore. We don't need it anymore. From right here, we have some little selections and customizations. Tells you to accept the software for a license. I think you would have to do that if you want this program to be installed. Without it, may not let it. And it has an option if you want to receive notifications. There's customizations on installation. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as is and press install now. And let it do its work from downloading the rest of the program that's needed. Alrighty guys, it's pretty much finishing up. Let's see how it's going to go on the rest of the installation right now. And it's doing its own work, checking system requirements, extracting files. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty guys, it pretty much is showing up that the program has pretty much already installed. It says it's starting up the BlueStacks, so please wait. So let it do its whole work right now. It says it's its first time boot. That could take up to 2 to 3 minutes depending on your PC's performance. So let's go ahead and just let it run for right now. As you're seeing some of the videos right here, it's pretty much showing some of the games that are actually there for Androids. And this will pretty much give you the ability for you to play some of these games and programs that you would use on an Android but on your PC. So let's go ahead and let it just continue to do its work. Okay, so my computer's pretty much going to come up with this. It just says that your PC does not support hardware-assisted virtualization. That is because I technically have virtual computer that I'm making on this video right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and just continue right now. And whenever you do create this and install the program, you would have to have a Google account, pretty much a Gmail, that would allow you to download the Android apps and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just, I'll do that later options. Tells you a little bit of stuff on the search right here. More about the centers, library. But here's the program that will pretty much allow you to install all these cool features right here on games and stuff like that. So you can just search any games that you want to. You would look for it. And pretty much you can just install it. See, we can go to Google Play Store. It's probably going to prompt me to sign in. Let's see what that comes out real quick. Probably taking a little bit. There it is. Yeah, I would have to sign in on this. But you get the point. You would sign into your system. You'll see what apps are there. And you'll have so many additional features. Here's a big list of other games that are there also. It's pretty much an awesome system. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.